Here are the steps for installing adhesive bonded reinforcement membranes at drains and vents. Begin the installation by placing a pre-cut piece of reinforcement membrane measuring 36 by 36 inches or 920 by 920 millimeters at the center of the drain or the vent at a 45-degree angle and trace the outline with chalk. Apply the bitumen-based primer to the top of the drain or the vent plate. Note that it is important to let the primer dry according to the time indicated on the technical data sheet. Apply the adhesive with a notch squeegee on the drain or the vent plate and continue on the base sheet membrane up to the tracing. Leave 2 inches or 50 millimeters without adhesive on the drain or the vent plate and around the membrane for welding. Install the reinforcement membrane around the drain or the vent. Apply pressure on the whole surface with a membrane roller to ensure complete and uniform adherence. Weld the termination of the reinforcement membrane and the termination of the membrane around the drain or the vent with an electric hot air welder and a membrane roller to complete the installation. This installation is now complete.